is. Nilifikiria wireless inajiturn to on. But my bad, guys. I was saying Sauti Sol confused me kidogo with that intro to that song, but it is brilliant. Y'all listening to Straight Up Live. Let me get with it, y'all. I am loving our hashtag NeoFlow, by the way. Let me tell you, Simon Robson at SimRob is like the one person who has got this hashtag NeoFlow. I mean, Neo was bullied in school because of his receding hairline. Now you know why he always wears a hat. Hashtag NeoFlow. That's what I'm looking for, y'all. Today's hashtag is hashtag NeoFlow. Give us some facts. What you know about Neo? Y'all were all up in his pictures. I don't know. Do you even know the dude? Let me know. Hashtag is NeoFlow. Of course, you're watching Straight Up Live. And I'm talking really fast because we got to go on a break. But I want to just give you a tiny sneak peek of what's coming up after the break. Do not go nowhere. Just hit him. Hit him.
Hey, Olomide, silence, Bugamini, Gengemini, parent, apparently Nakuwaga na Kibao. I'm not gonna say that.
What up? It's your girl Yvonne Dark.
MWB Christophe Mluya Busi in the building. Kama kawaida sunajua.
Now Yvonne, ameflow, we uko flow, nilifikiria tumepeana memo. That was the memo.
Flow, so you know you flow.
That's all we're saying. Keep it locked on Straight Up Live, y'all. Do not go nowhere. We love you long time. Hashtag NeoFlow. Let me know. What you know about Neo? I want to know. But coming up. Ish.
Don't do control. I swing from side to side. My hashtag is world child. I'm an African child. I'm a mother. I'm proud. My dress, my choice, it's mine.
Aya. Endelea. I'm loving it.
Yeah. Leo mina dandia kama tatu. Hata wakuje kama watatu. Wanapenda hizi zangu tatu. Wawe wasupa, wasiwe wote ni kiatu. Sikiatu kama hat the bundle is a kiatu chora 7 kimasaku African bantu design ya bamboo siwezi isha misi bundles jua kinyona wana melt kama candles niko course nimepiga tu ma sandals baby niko Instagram check out my handle
hey at I am Chero holla that's what's out. Y'all are too cool for school, yo. What? I'm excited. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm so excited. Hashtag is NeoFlow. Wenjor Terry Miz anasema shafers.cs.smith.aka Neo is an American R&B singer, songwriter, record producer, dancer, and ulijua Neo ako Neo is flowing. I'm loving it. So his name is Shafa C. Smith. I like that. Another hashtag NeoFlow says
no. Its name
Neo
Chapati?
Chapati mbichi.
Schaefer C. Smith. Schaefer C. Smith. I was like, Shafer C. Smith. Yes, that is our Neo Flow. Neo is currently working with guys in Empire Series music projects like that. African Fresh Prince, Amejua. Hashtag Neo Flow listening. I am Quincy. I got the flow that broke the Da Vinci Code. What's that got to do with Neo Flow?
Which Neo? Neo Dhiambo ule wa...
Unajua Neo, not Neo Dhiambo, the Neo, the one who was
Which
here
one?
doing a collabo with Ice Prince. That one.
Christophe, you know that Neo?
The American.
How does he look like?
Not like you.
Yeah, I know.
He has a hat like you. Give me a fact. Y'all can drop us some facts. What you know about the hashtag NeoFlow? Something. Anything.
I think he's a very good R&B artist for me.
Totally.
Yeah. I respect him.
I love his songwriting. I think his songwriting skills are on point.
Also, his performance is very nice. Yeah.
You can't go wrong at a Neo show.
Exactly. But you have to go with your mama. You can't go with your boys.
Like hashtag no more. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, that's what's up. Okay, you guys are in the Straight Up Live studio.
Yeah.
Looking swaggerific as usual. Wow.
Yes.
Can we just take a look? Just give us a rundown real quick. Who you rocking? Who you rocking?
I'm rocking me, MWP. Lua Busia Juchini.
Hey.
Yeah. I'm rocking CML, Celebrity Merchandise Limited.
Celebrity Merchandise Limited.
this lovely lady.
See ya.
I'm rocking Darcy Q, which
Ooh.
is me, all the way.
Hey, Miss Kia, you want to get ahead? You might want to start wearing your own clothes. Y'all are obviously entrepreneurs. It's not just about music. Tell guys about that. How important is it to have multiple sources of income flowing in?
It's mandatory, you know, but it's also mandatory that you be focused and you remain focused. So for me, it's all around the entertainment industry. So be it fashion, be it, you know, shows, be it entertainment, just anything around the entertainment industry. That's where I put my money in.
I love it. And Yvonne, I love the way you support, like, not that you guys don't, but you know, you be all up on the IG page, just shouting out local artists, anybody who's doing something who's about anything. And I give you like so much props for that.
Oh, thank you. I
Yeah.
think it's very important because, I mean, for me, my sole competitor is myself. So I believe strongly in supporting the industry and for the growth between all of us to grow together, you know.
All right.
We're all different artists. We all reach to different people. So
That's what's
it's
up.
important.
And you're like, just you guys coming together, as much as you're so different, you gel so well.
Oh.
Yeah, you do. I'm like, y'all are just, you know,
Actually, hashtag winning team. Winning team.
winning team.
Yeah,
Hashtag
yeah,
winning
yeah,
team.
yeah.
I'm
So-
loving it. How did that come about, man?
We are friends, and I think we click together. We work together very well. Apart from sometimes Yvonne is very anasumbua kiasi.
Anasumbua
She's a lady,
sana.
you know, us women,
Anasumbua
it
sana,
comes-
in
it
fact.
comes to the territory.
Anasumbua sana.
Keep you guys in check.
Yeah. Like today, we were supposed to be. I don't know. This chick was calling us at 6,
She was putting makeup for like 3 hours.
but it's okay.
Why
She
y'all
looks
putting her
lovely.
on blast? You know, you guys need to understand. For chicks, it's
if
not
it wasn't
the
for me,
same.
they wouldn't be here. So they need to keep quiet.
There you go.
Yes.
Better tell somebody.
I told you.
You know?
Yeah, but I appreciate her. She's very focused and she's talented, and also
Very.
she's a very good friend of mine. And yeah,
Cool.
so we're gonna see more of that together. And
Because this is just round one. Ish. Round
But
one.
we're not gonna do round two. Round two is we want competition. So
So
we
it's
want
gonna
other
be
people-
different artists.
Yeah, I want people to come and just show competition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you think
I like
you can
it.
rock it, if you think you can beat us, come and do it.
So they need to call it Ish also, or
Round two.
Round
round
two.
two.
Yeah.
Round two. Miss
Yeah.
Kia, you have been called out. Y'all out there who say you are the best of the best and the hottest and all of that. This is your time to show your skill, and we are the judges. Because you mashafanya round one, so you get to sit back and decide if round two has in gear.
Exactly.
I like it. I like it. I want to read some comments here. We posted, of course, your photos, and we were like, y'all are coming, put y'all on blast on our Facebook page. So I'm glad you turned up. I want to know what you guys are thinking about what's happening here. There's some comments here for you from our Straight Up fans. Thank you for staying tuned in. By the way, the handles are all right there. You want to just tell them real quick?
Yeah, Buganya P Unit everywhere.
Yvonne Dark.
everywhere, which is YVONNEDARCQ.
Q.
Christoph Barton on Instagram, Christoph_ Kenya on Twitter.
Of course, we got the scrolls right there for you guys. So keep that convo going. Lucinda Andy anasema, that's what's up. Can't wait for 11. What's happening, Ukunyuma? K-Trix. I'm trying to host a show here.
K-Trix is trying
you
to
got a
blast,
problem?
Christoph. Ati Barton. Which Barton?
Hizo unafinya hizo.
Hizo?
Yeah.
K-Trix. Tulia. Say I can play the background. Just for 2 seconds. Can't wait to watch the guests for today. These are guys who were tuned in yesterday, ready for you. They say you guys don't care about Facebook. Is that true? Can you tell them how traffic is moving from Facebook to Twitter, IG? It's like I'm the only one who has that flow.
Well, on my Instagram, I tag my Twitter, my Facebook, my Tumblr. So everything I post up goes to everywhere. So
love it.
I wouldn't know about that.
Tell me about this thing happening at Nyayo Stadium today, because you guys already turned up. I was watching, you already turned up at Nyayo, and then you're in the Straight Up Live studio. I love that flow.
Yes, we got love for you guys.
Yeah,
The same way you guys have got love for us. So we need to support each other.
I like
Yeah.
that. So should guys come check it out? Is it something
Yes,
worth seeing?
free entry.
It's
for
a
everyone.
7-a-side, free entry where the artist team, artists Wasani.
And I saw somebody here was giving away albums for free selfies. Is
Yeah,
that
yeah,
true?
yeah. I'm giving out 50 albums. Not today though.
Okay.
On the 30th, when we're having the finals
For the
between the
finals.
East and West.
Okay.
You come, give you CDs. We're gonna have fun. We
Okay.
want to support the local football in Kenya. We just want to have fun.
I love
it's not
it.
about just going to watch football. You can come watch football, have fun, see artists performing, just support.
Hang out with the
yeah.
superstars,
Exactly. Yeah,
get to
yeah.
find out how you can get into all those things that are going down,
Yeah, and if you want
including
to
round 2.
yeah, and if you want to see Christophe Falling today because he's playing, come to your stadium and
Which
you'll see
team are you
that.
playing for, Christoph?
Come and see us.
See,
in
there was a
action.
neat team.
There was a
team.
knee.
Yes.
Ah.
That was Andy Kitambi team.
By the way, tell us who else is going to be in the Wasani team. I want to know name
I'm
drop.
the only girl.
You're the only girl.
Actually,
She's
no
the
girl,
goalkeeper.
woman. I'm the only woman.
You're goalkeeping.
She's the-
So who should Straight Up Live
She's
look
the
forward to
goalkeeper.
seeing tonight? I like this Wasani.
And
Who else is
Ashika-
turning up?
No, she's the goalkeeper. You know, the Shikabol.
Arashka Ball.
Thank you. Please, can we just...
There's Kenzo.
Can I have this interview right here? Yes.
There's Kenzo. There's obviously the three of us. There's gonna be Frasha. There's gonna be Kayletta. There's gonna be Rabbit, Big Pin, like everybody.
Nonini,
Waire,
Waire,
everybody.
all those
just
guys.
Come through and watch your favorite artist play.
Sounds
On
like
the
that is the place
artist
to
team.
be
It
this
is.
afternoon. All right, we're about to sign out and let K-Trick do his thing before he starts saying things.
No, did I tell you she's the
burning in our
goalkeeper?
ears. I heard. I
Okay,
heard.
okay.
What should Straight Up be looking forward to, by the way? Because this video is on point. Where is Petra, by the way? Petra, where you at? Hello?
She was supposed to be, maybe something happened, but we don't know.
Maybe?
Yeah, but
Okay.
she really wanted to
We
come here.
really hope you're okay, Petra. We miss you in
Yeah.
this flow.
Yeah, apart from Yulopa, who always, his phone is on answering machine all the time. So, but you're here to represent him.
Yulopa is sick. Leave these two alone.
That's a serious producer right there. Well, mad love to you guys. Y'all have did it. You have definitely set the game.
Thank you.
Yeah, on high. Keep
Yeah,
the flow. Your
yeah.
swag pia muilete on this side, Yvonne.
You're looking good too.
Look me up. Thank
You're
you.
looking good too.
Do you notice how my hair matches
Yeah,
my
you're looking
dress?
good.
You know, purple flow.
Yeah, so,
Yes.
but also thank you so much, Straight Up, K-Trix, KTN for supporting Kenyan music.
Yay.
You know, we appreciate. And also our fans for supporting us.
For sure.
Yeah,
Awesome. Thanks for having us. Keep that movie going, music going. Keep bringing out positivity. Keep challenging guys to do better, because that platform is huge. And y'all are making a great use of it. We're signing out. Do you guys want to hear anything before I go? Before I say bye? Before K-Trix Wachilias? Anything.
Follow me on Instagram, Christoph Button, Twitter, Christoph_Kenya, and to all the young guys who have closed school, don't drink and drive. Stay at home and watch movies. Tawa, thank you.
I like that.
Follow me, Yvonne Dark, everywhere. Just Google me, YVONNEDARCQ, and keep supporting us. We love you. You have no idea how much we're grateful for you. Just keep giving us that support so we can grow and so we can give the rest of the world some competition from our own home, Kenya.
And then talk to that girl out there who's watching, who's thinking something. You know what she's thinking.
Let me
her.
tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Do not fight for useless reasons. Respect yourself, love yourself, and just be fully entwined with who you are. There is no other you.
That's right.
Yeah. So mine is just very. I just want to thank the fans for supporting us. The UKTN. I'm just so happy that we're here and we're still pushing it. So follow Buganya P Unit everywhere, and come watch us play football. SportPesa in your stadium, 30th, or is that next weekend, right? Yeah. Just come. Take a selfie with me. Get a CD.
And to that person who's starting a business, real quick,
Just be focused, tafadhali. Usikuwe na haraka sawa.
And never
Be
give
focused.
up.
Yeah, never give up.
and never give up. Love it. Never give up on Straight Up Live. That's for sure. The hashtag is NeoFlow. Tuendele na mimi, I'm coming with you. Can I enter? Can I sit on the couch with you right now? Gonna try for me. I was making mandazis last night, by the way. Did you see my mandazis on Instagram? Yes, I can come with kunywa chai together. Oh, uji. I like uji with lemon. It's really delicious. K-Trix, please watch Ilia before I embarrass ourselves. Get out of here.
You have a big